Let us now move to part 2 of this chapter, quadrilateral, chapter number 7, section 7.2, angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So in triangles chapter, we saw angle sum property of a triangle. Here we are going to see the first part, angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So in the last video, we have learnt about basics and classification of quadrilaterals. So we saw two quadrilaterals, concave and convex, and also discussed that in this chapter we are going to discuss only about convex quadrilaterals. Understood the need for learning about quadrilaterals. I also referred as triangles, like repeatedly we will be using the triangles concepts and discuss what all we will be learning in this chapter. In this video, we will learn about angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So let us take a quadrilateral ABCD. Each diagonal divides a quadrilateral into two triangles. So this is AC. So now you see one diagonal I mentioned, AC. Similarly, we can also see another diagonal, BD. I have not mentioned here. So AC divides the quadrilateral into two triangles. In the adjoining diagram, diagonal AC divides quadrilateral ABCD into two triangles, ADC and ABC. There are two triangles. In triangle ADC, angle DAC, so you can just follow the path when I am talking, plus ACD plus D equal to 180 degrees, angle sum property of a triangle. So you can see that the triangle on the left side, that is top, is ADC, which is 180 degrees. Let us name it as equation number 1. And again similarly, at the bottom, triangle ABC, BAC plus ACB, I am just going clockwise, plus angle B equal to 180 degrees. This let us name it as equation number 2. Correct? So we have taken two triangles. So as we saw in the first line, that each diagonal divides a quadrilateral into two triangles. So now we are making angle sum property of triangle. So as I told earlier, we will be repeatedly discussing about triangles properties. So now we have recalled angle sum property and we are using it here. Adding both the equations 1 plus 2, we get DAC, ACD, D, BAC, ACB, B equal to 360 degrees. Just adding both the equations, all the three components of equation number 1, three components of equation number 2 equal to 360. Let us name it as equation number 3. This is important, so you can pause the video, note down these equations and then move forward. Let's go forward. But ACD plus ACB equal to C and BAC plus DAC equal to A. The reason is adjacent angles. Correct? So you can see that ACD. So I'll just show you here. ACD is, this is ACD is at the top and the other one is ACB, this is at the bottom. So together it becomes angle C. Similarly on the bottom side, if you see DAC and BAC together becomes angle A. Substituting this in equation number 3, we get angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D equal to 360 degrees. You can see the notes you have taken now. You can just substitute in the equation 3, ACB plus ACD will be there as 1, remove that and put C. Similarly, BAC, DAC will be there, remove that and put A. You will find that A plus B plus C plus D equal to 360 degrees. This can be stated as the sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees and is called as angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So this is just an extension of a triangle. In triangle it is 180 degrees, in quadrilateral is 360 degrees. This is not a theorem, as this can be considered as an extension of an angle sum property of a triangle. That is why it is neither an axiom nor a theorem. Hope all of you remember angle sum property of a triangle is a theorem. We have already proved the theorem using exterior angle and collinear property of linear pair axiom. We used those and then we arrived at angle sum property of triangle. We are just extending that to quadrilateral. That's why it is not mentioned as a theorem or an axiom. So this page is also important. Note down, pause video, note down and then go to next page. This can be extended to all polygons and the formula is sum of angles of a polygon equal to n minus 2 into 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides of the polygon. Let us see the example now. If you see next paragraph, you will understand. A triangle, there are 3 sides. So n minus 2 is 3 minus 2 into 180 equal to 180 degrees. Quadrilateral, 4 sides, 4 minus 2 into 180 equal to 360 degrees. So like this, any number of polygon, any number of sides in a polygon, you have to only replace n with the number of sides minus 2 multiplied by 180, you will get the total angle of that polygon. You can check this by drawing a polygon with any number of sides in your notebook and then measure the angles with a protractor. So what you can do is take a polygon, say 7 sides, 8 sides, 6 sides, whatever. Then you draw with a scale, and with the scale you draw, join all the points and then find out how many number of sides are there. Minus 2 multiplied by 180, you will get the angle. Then measure with the protractor each angle. Then you will add and see that it will be matching with the formula you have calculated. So in this video, we have learnt about angle sum property of triangle, that is sum of angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. In the next video, we will learn about different types of quadrilaterals. So don't get confused between classification and types. Classification is just two, convex and concave, and you can forget about concave because we are going to discuss only about convex. Whereas we will now see in the next video what are the different types of quadrilaterals. So when we go to the next video, you will be able to understand very easily. Now questions. Always as usual, 5 questions. Pause the video, note down all the questions, and then move forward. Thank you.